Hey maths teachers, there is something new for your Desmos activities, a new component. Have a look what I did. I have added something from Polypad in my Desmos activity. I was teaching a composite function and this is what I used. So there are function machines that are going to give you input and output based on the function and create a table for values. And here I'm getting input and output as well from both machines together, and those points are being plotted on a coordinate plane. So have a look, and there is one more. So here automatically going from one machine to another and getting those points plotted for you. So here I was teaching inverse functions, so that's why I used two machines. So I just wanted to help you how you can add this component in your Desmos activity. So this is, I will share this activity link for you. So let's start how you can add. So go to desmos.teacher.desmos and create a slide. Things you can see here. Either you can add a graphing calculator, marble slides, card sort, challenge creator, polygraph, polypad. This is what I'm talking about. So this is polypad. When you click on it, it's a full screen stuff. And how you can add the way how I did in my screen. So if you see here, there are two machines I am using and the graph grid as well. So when you open this, you will see this is the tiles option. You can definitely go and try other stuff, but right now I want to focus on algebra. In algebra, there is an option for you to pick up a function machine. So just click here. You can drag some numbers if you want. For example, 1, 2, let's try 4, and then pick one function machine. So once you're done with the machine, you can click on the tabulate. So click on the table, and here the table of input and output will be generated. Do not add or stuff anything else because it is automatically going to do it for you. And if you want to see the grid, the coordinate plane as well, so just scroll down and click on the coordinate axis and tables, and you can drag it. Of course, it is a little bit bigger, but we can make it. So you can hide this stuff from left hand side. Just click on this, and here show, just you have to click on the authoring mode and hide this stuff. So you're done. So once you click here, you won't be able to see anything. I'm just going to show you on the preview. Once you have added everything, what you can see, click, look. So the things are numbers, the machine, the table of output and input, and the grid. Now if you want to control or you want to change any color, you want to change the function, then you have to just go back and move it wherever you like. You can place this, or you can have a grid so that you can place them in a proper places. So I'm just aligning them and making sure my machine is well aligned. If you move this is something like this. You have to move this black dot. And if you want to change the function, I'm going to change now. So just to click, double click, and then you will see the cursor with the expression. So let's say I'm going to use 2 times x plus 1, and I'm done with this. Done. And of course input output are already connected, but I want to connect my set of points with the coordinate plane, right? So there is a blue arrow, you can see, just drag it over the graph. That's it. You don't need to do anything else. If you think your points are only positive, so just grab it and you can change the size. You grab it down, you change this as well, and if you want to increase the x-axis, positive y-axis, you can do that. I think 4 times 2 8 plus 1 9. I would like to see 9 as my output, so I'm gonna drag this more, and maybe this is also more, up to 10. So there is no shortcut for that, but you can just try. Don't worry about the space because it is infinite playground for you, so you can drag it wherever you like. So let's say this is done, And you want to change the color, you can just click on it, and here is the color option for you. Done. And same thing you can do for this, how you want the point should look like. Let's say purple. Okay, done. Let's see it. Look, that's the open system for you, and you can use this. There will be a music, like a moving sound, so kids will like it. You just need to drag it near this part, and then it is going to automatically give you the output. So you can see this should give you 9, and those points are plotted. And then you can use the drawing tool to use line, or you can erase it and use a direct, like a line thing from here. You can create circle, rectangle, etc. You want to zoom in, zoom out, you can do that. You can move, and then you can create more, you can on a single space. If you want to add 2 function machines, what you have to do, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna make a copy of the screen, gonna go next, click, and add a second screen. Now first I'm gonna rearrange my point so that I have more space. Yeah, and here you go. So this is my first, and then I'm gonna go here, just click on the authoring mode because I'm gonna edit stuff. So nothing with the geometry, but I would like to get from the graph function machine. Grab the function machine, drag it over there. Other things are already there, so just highlight, turn it off, and done. Now what you have to do, just make it closer. If you want to do on your own, like dragging one and then output dragging out, you can do that as well. And again, click on table, and as you see the table, let me just put it a little bit up, and then you will see the blue arrow connect with the coordinate plane. Change the color if you like. Let me just have a green color. If you want to change color for this as well, you can. So you can adjust the size however you like. And here you go. Let's see the preview now. You can keep it open if you want to have more outputs or more inputs. I'm just putting it away, zooming a little bit in, moving my place, and then let's go. So I'm gonna click on the arrow. Sometimes you just click there and then it doesn't work, so just move this point. Look, it is automatically going in and giving you output, as well as it is also plotting. So let's try one more. Look, both points are being plotted, so you can see the green ones and the purple ones as well. So I found this was really helpful for me to introduce on a single page a composite function or inverse function, or you just introducing functions with input output with the grid. Good to go. I think you should try this. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Give it a try.